Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on steady flow energy equation and application of steady flow energy equation. Today we will start new topic ideal gas and ideal gas process. In this topic we will cover Boyle's law, Charles law, characteristics of gas equation, ideal gas process. Ideal gas, a perfect gas which follow the gas law at all range of pressure and temperature. An ideal gas has no force of molecular attraction because at low pressure and high temperature, molecules of gas are far away from each other and so there is no any molecular attraction between them. So, ideal gas is gas which remain gaseous phase at all pressure and temperature. In actual practice, there is no perfect gas in nature, but many gases can approaches to this standard within the temperature limit. Oxygen, nitrogen, air are considered as a perfect gas as they obey this law within the temperature limit of thermodynamics. They are also known as a real gas. Assumption made for ideal gas. A finite volume of gas contains large number of molecules. The collision of molecules with one another and with the walls of the container is perfectly elastic. The molecules are separated by large distance compared to their own dimension. Molecules do not exert force on one another except when they are collide. Charles' law. Charles' law states that if unit mass of gas is maintained at constant pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. In diagram, we can see that constant pressure is being applied. So, PV diagram indicates its constant pressure is applied. Volume of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Means when temperature increases, volume of gas also increase. So we derive to the equation volume directly proportional to temperature. In Charles law, pressure remains constant, so P is equal to C. So V upon T is equal to constant. So we consider for process 1 to 2, V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. Boyle's law. Boyle's gas law states that if unit mass of gas is maintained at constant temperature, the volume of gas is inversely proportional with the absolute pressure during change of state of gas. In diagram, temperature remains constant. So, volume and pressure is inversely proportional. Means, when pressure increases, volume of gas decreases. So, we derive to the equation volume inversely proportional to pressure. In Boyle's law, temperature remains constant, so PV is equal to constant. For process 1 to 2, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Equation of state. In this PV diagram, 1 to A is constant pressure process. So, P1 is equal to PA and A to 2 is constant temperature process. So TA is equal to T2. So in first part, process 1 to A applied Charles law. V1 upon T1 is equal to VA upon TA. So VA is equal to V1 upon T1 into TA. But TA is equal to T2. So we can return that VA is equal to V1 upon T1 into T2. In second part, process A to 2 applied Boyle's law. PAVA is equal to P2V2. So V1 is equal to P2 upon PA into V2. But P1 is equal to PA. So VA is equal to P2 upon P1 into V2. From equation 1 to 2, left hand side is common, so we can return that V1 upon T1 into T2 is equal to P2 upon P1 into V2. So P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So PV upon T is equal to constant. Characteristics gas equation. PV is equal to mRT, where P is equal to pressure, V is equal to volume, M is equal to mass of gas, R is equal to characteristics gas constant, T is equal to temperature of gas. Thank you.